Hey crafty people, in this video we're talking about abbreviation CC, which stands for contrasting color. So I've got two examples here. One worked in a round in a spiral and another is flat. So here I've got mustard yellow and like this dusty rose pink that I worked in a spiral shape. So one could be a main color and the other would be indicated in a pattern as contrasting color. And here we've got this light blue with this dark blue. I love this pattern, kind of looks like waves to me. And the light blue is dominating, so that would be the main color. And this dark blue would be the contrasting color. Contrasting color doesn't mean that it literally contrasts on the color wheel. It's just a different color that you're choosing to work with. It could be complementary, contrasting, whatever. But it's just a secondary color to your main color. So yeah, that is abbreviation CC, contrasting color.